Hello everyone. In today's session, I will discuss the memory allocation of string into the heap area and string constant pool. So we should know what is we string constant pool and what is uh, heap area. As I have already discussed in my previous lecture, what is heap area. I have already said that all the object will be created inside the heap area. And what is string constant pool? That you need to know that it is the separate area inside the heap only. So there also some object will be created which will be especially for literals. So this is our heap area, and this is our string constant pool. Okay, now let's understand what is difference, where the objects are going to be created. Okay, so one example I'm taking: string s1 is equal to new string of surys Surya. Okay, one object, one more I am taking. Okay, string s2 is equal to new string of itech. Okay, one more similarly I'm taking here one example: string s1 is equal to I'm taking Surya. Okay, now see what is happening. So whenever a new operator is used, that means new operator, we all know how to create the object of a class. By using new operator only we can create a class of the object. So first of all, whenever this new operator is being used, that means in heap area one object is being created. Okay, on one object got created, but this object is not empty, it has some value which is Surya. Okay, Surya. But here we need to understand that this has one literal which called Surya. Literal means what? Constant. That means this is a constant, means this is the value. This name is Surya. Surya is the constant which has some value, so it will go to in the constant pool, that is a string constant pool. So here also one more object will be created. Okay, here also one more object will be created with the value Surya. Okay, one more object got created. Now similarly this is s2 with the value of itech, one object will be created. Okay, one it will be created. Okay, itech, but it has some constant. So with constant it will be created with value itech here also. Okay, now we will come to this one. This, see, this is a literal. Literal means what? It has some constant only. New operator is being used? No, it's not using any new operator. So in the heap area we have one separate memory which is called string constant pool. There only this object in this value is going to stored with a object, means one object is going to be created with Surya value. Okay, so here one object is being created. So Surya, one object got created. Okay, now next we need to think, well, we will have some example. Okay, to understand where which object and how many object will be created. Okay, so I'm taking one example of string, sorry, string s is equal to new string of, I'm taking uh, like hello. Okay, okay, they will give like this, one object is created. See, then here what is happening, how many object will be created for this? We all know two object created because of the new operator. This is constant. Now what I'm going to do, one s dot, I'm taking concat. Okay, concat of hello world, world, hello world I'm taking. Now tell, how many object will be created? See, it is the literal, that means one separate object also will be created inside this constant pool. So one more time I will do, s dot sorry, s is equal to s dot concat of hello world Surya, hello world Surya. Okay, no, not Surya, I will take hello world Surya I take. Now tell, for this we need to understand how many object will be created. Let's see. Okay, here here's check, this is the heap area, this is the heap area we know. For this we need to just check how many object will be created. This is the heap, heap, this is string constant pool. Okay, see here, for this new operator, one object is created. For here one, that literal, this is the constant, in the constant pool one object will be created. Okay, now this is the one constant, for this also one object will be created. Now see here what is happening in a string is immutable, I have said, but I know for working this thing one more object should be, means it should be initialized, means it should store. For that what is happening here, see, this constant is created here one time. Here what is happening, concating means hello world will be there, means concating means one object will be created, but it is eligible for garbage collector very soon, because we are not storing, the hello world will be there. So one more object will be created, but it is eligible for garbage collector. Similarly, what is happening here, we are storing in this object only, dot concat with what, s1 dot itake. So what will be stored here, hello itake only, hello itake. Okay, so how many object got created here total? Here is what, here we have only hello. Here just imagine this is hello, I will take this is hello. Okay, so one is hello is created, another one is here, because of the constant what is happening, one more object is created in this string constant pool. Now if one more thing here, with world, with world one object got created. These things are not going to destroy these objects by the garbage collector, because in future if anything coming with hello, with any content with world, then this is going to be used, not new object going to be created in the heap, in the string constant pool area it's going to take. Okay, so I take, see here, for I take one more object will be created because it's a constant thing. Then total how many object got created here, hello world, total 6 objects got created because of these 3 lines. So this is the main things what we discuss about the memory allocation in heap area and string constant tool.